Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Wave. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. Today we are diving into an interesting topic. What happens to your body when you start drinking hot water daily? Let's get improved digestion. First up, let's talk about digestion. Drinking hot water can significantly improve your digestion. How does it work? Well, hot water helps to break down food in your stomach more quickly than cold water. This means that nutrients can be absorbed more efficiently. Additionally, hot water can help dissolve and eliminate foods that your body might have had trouble digesting. One of the main reasons hot water aids digestion is because it helps keep your digestive system hydrated and lubricated, making it easier for waste to pass through your intestines. If you suffer from constipations or sluggish digestion, drinking hot water can be simple yet effective remedy. Detoxification. Next, let's move on the detoxifications. Hot water is an excellent way to help your body detoxify naturally. When you drink hot water, your body temperature rises, which includes sweating. Sweating is one of the body's natural ways of expelling toxins. Moreover, hot water helps maintain optimal kidney functions, which is crucial for filtering out toxins from your bloodstreams. Drinking hot water can also aid in the breakdown of waste products in your body, making it easier for your digestion system to process and eliminate them. Enhance circulations. Now let's talk about circulations. Drinking hot water can improve blood circulations, which is essential for muscles and organ health. When you drink hot water, it helps your arteries and veins to expand and carry blood more effectively throughout your body. Improved circulations also means better oxygen and nutrients delivery to your tissues, which can help speed up muscles recovery and reduce pain. So if you are someone who works out regularly, drinking hot water can help you recover faster from your workouts. Weight management. One benefit might surprise you in weight management. Drinking hot water can help you manage your weight in several ways. First, it can boost your metabolism. Hot water raises your temperature, which in turn increases your metabolic rate. A higher metabolic rate means you burn calories more efficiently even when you are at rest. Second, drinking hot water before meals can make you feel fuller faster. This can help you reduce your calorie intake as you are likely to eat less. It's simple tricks that can make big difference over time. Additionally, hot water can help break down fat deposits in your body. Relaxation and stress relief. Hot water is also great for relaxation and stress relief. The warmth of the water has a calming effect on your body and mind. Drinking hot water can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it a perfect addition to your morning or bedtime routine. Additionally, the heat can help your central nervous system, which can alleviate symptoms on stress and anxiety. It's a great way to unwind after a long day or to start your morning on a calm note. Improved nasals and throat congestion. If you suffer from nasals or throat congestions, hot water can provide relief. The heat from the water can help loosen mucus, making it easier to expel. This is particularly beneficial if you are dealing with the cold, allergies, or sinus issues. Hot water can also soothe the sore throat. The warmth helps to calm and soothe the inflamed tissues in your throat, providing instant relief. Adding a bit of honey or lemon can enhance this effect and provide additional benefits. Better hydrations. Lastly, drinking hot water ensures better hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health, and hot water can sometimes be more palatable and cold, especially in the morning or during colder months. Proper hydration helps maintain your body fluid balance, supports energy levels, and keeps your skin healthy. Drinking hot water can also help reduce the risk of dehydration related issues like headache, fatigue, and dry skin. Make it a habit to drink hot water regularly to keep your body well hydrated and functioning optimally. So, there you have it, the numerous benefits drinking hot water daily. From improved digestion and detoxifications to enhanced circulations and relaxation, this simple habit can have a profound impact on your overall health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thought on drinking hot water, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.